So, Ib, how can food manufacturers successfully introduce automation into an existing packaging line without disrupting operations?
Yeah, that's a great question, Mariana. First thing we need to consider is why do companies introduce automation into their production? So the first thing is a lot of times in order to get increased output, you sometimes have no option but to add automation to your production line. Second thing is sometimes you might want to improve quality in your production. Obviously, when you take off any of the manual aspects of the packaging line, then that could reduce the number of variables and things that can go wrong. And then the third thing is obviously to reduce costs, which is something that everyone's familiar with these days with rising labor costs. So the first thing that's important to reduce the complexity of introducing automation is making sure you have the right staff. So that begins with who will be the operators running the machine, and then who will be your maintenance staff to maintain the equipment. And so it becomes really critical to make sure you have the right staff that's trained with the more complex automated systems. The second thing is, from a cost standpoint, you have to make sure you allocate the proper budgets for maintaining these automation systems, because a lot of times companies mostly only think about the upfront costs of automation, but they neglect maybe the ongoing training that's required for their staff, as they have staff that come and go in the facility. And then also, obviously, more automated systems are going to have more parts, more components, so there's going to be maybe slightly higher operating costs for maintenance. And then really what it comes down to is making sure you partner with the right supplier that's going to help you navigate these challenges and complexities of adding automation, and finding a supplier who's done it before, who's taken companies from maybe more manual types of operations to more automated ones, and bring in the right expertise from that aspect can make all the difference.
Alrighty, this is great. Thank you so much. And if you want to know more about how to automate your packaging line without disruption, contact Waldner North America, waldner@wnapt.com. Thank you.
Thank you very much.